Hello everyone, my name is Vince. Welcome back here to another daily video. Guys, we have a problem. I'm playing Match to Win, an app that apparently allows us to cash out at $7, okay? The problem is, this app apparently never lets you get to $7. If it ever did let you get to $7, from what I've seen in the past, on the reviews of this app, it never pays you. So, apparently this app is littered with ads, okay? I don't know what to expect. A $7 minimum cash out is excellent to me, because that means we don't have to grind that long. But in theory, right, that sounds great. In reality though, this could be an app that only rewards us a couple of cents. So we might have to grind for a very, very long time to never actually get paid, but yet watch an abundance of advertisements for the developer. And this is where the real problem with these scam apps comes into play. Now, reading the reviews, people are saying 100% this is a joke app and a scam, okay? It needs to be dealt with. I want to test it out on video for you all, so you can all make your judgments, okay? You guys can make all your judgments, and let me know in the comments below if you think this is a scam or not, and if you personally have had a run-in with this app. The app has been downloaded over 1 million times, so I can imagine that someone that is watching right now has seen or played this app before, okay? 5 cents. Okay, here we go. Remember, minimum cash out is $7, okay? I just got 5 cents. Keep that in mind. So yeah, we just got our first 5 cents. And if that is the case for all of the app rewards going forward, then we're going to be in trouble. Because it's going to literally take us so long to get to $7. And that is even if we win the money, of course. So you got to keep that in mind, everyone. This is a match game, so what that means is that there might be a chance that I won't get any rewards. I better not get ads. I swear, if I start getting heaps of ads like the comment sections and the review sections are telling me, I'm going to be very upset. We'll find out though. Slowly but surely, here we go. Went up to $250. What have I got here? Nothing. Oh no, 10 in-game currency. Beautiful. So what can I do with that in-game currency? Shall we find out? Let's see here together, everyone. I got 2 starfish. That's great. Or stars. I'm assuming, I thought it was a starfish. It might be a star because it's a beach. Oh, prize increase. Okay. Here we go. What we got? Of course, then I get $2. 5,000 in-game currency. Get more skins, watch an ad. Nope, I don't want to get more spins. I'm fine. So $5,000 in-game currency. Win $25. Reveal the winner. Open the scratcher. Watch an ad. Congratulations to another happy player for winning $25. Okay. Win $1,000. Reveal the winner. Susan K from Eden won $1,000. Open scratcher. Alright. Should we do this, everyone? Should we watch an ad and look at the scratcher? Sure, why not? I've just watched the ad. Let's win up to $250. Here we go, everyone. And I won 10 cents. Beautiful. So when you have a prize pool of $250 and you only get 10 cents, that's a bit disheartening. So 15 cents right now. We're still grinding along here, casually. I just get that gut feeling, everyone, that the reviews for the app are correct, right? There's something not right about this app. I truly believe that just by judging from that reward pool then, and the fact that you have a pool of $250 possible chance to win, and it only gives you like 10 cents or something like that, it just doesn't seem right to me. I really believe, because people said once you get deeper into this app, then it really starts not paying you out at all. So as in, like, you don't even get any rewards for real life money, you just get the in-game currency. So I am very curious to see what's going to happen. This just looks like another cut, copy, and paste app, where it just literally is trying to get you to watch as many ads as possible, alright? But at the end of the day, we're only early into the app so far, so I can't make that judgment just yet, but trust me, we'll keep getting into this now. Alright, so this stage is getting crushed. Awesome. Once this is done, we can move on. Done. Here we go. Here's the next scratchy, everyone. What have we won here? 5 cents, 5 cents, and 5 cents. Beautiful. You won 5 cents. Cool, so we're up to 20 cents so far in the span of 5 minutes and 44 seconds. Okay. Games that reward you pennies just really get on my nerves, guys. I mean, what's the point, honestly? People are busy. Who's going to have the time to try and grind up to $7 when you're only getting pennies as a reward? Or cents, do you know what I mean? Like, it just irritates the hell out of me. It makes me think that the app is fake straight off the bat. Just for the fact that simple reason, dude. Such low rewards. At least with other scam apps, they make it clear. You know what I mean? They give you $20 or $60 when you first turn on the app. And then it starts slowing down dramatically. But with this app, it seems like just starting slow from the get-go. So I don't know, man. We go. So we get here 5 cents again. Yep, 5 cents again. Okay. Times 45, whatever that means there. But either way, just got 5 cents again. $25, everyone. Complete quest for big prizes. Every day you can complete a quest. Match 6. How do I begin the quest? Don't even know. What else we got here? 30 tokens, play, level 5. Let me see what this is all about. Just the in-game currency. Use your tokens to purchase tickets. Okay, so you can purchase tickets for a raffle, apparently. So that's the only purpose for the in-game currency, to give it some sort of purpose, everyone, okay? There's a raffle. So every month, it seems they give away the money. Oh no, there's one for $25 every day, and there's one every month, $1,000. So they're giving away $1,000 every single month. Wow, okay, very interesting. There's gold bars here as well. I don't know what the gold bars are for just yet, but that's okay. Alright, so it seems there's one of those beach balls, everyone, okay? But how do I actually match it? Oh, there you go. Nice. Yeah, so to me, this looks like an app that's literally just low rewards, constantly trying to get you to grind, man. I feel like this is going to keep going on for a long time, and I feel like I'm only going to get cents as a rewards. And that's not any sort of incentive to me. Why would I want to grind and work so hard, you know what I mean? Just to get literal cents as a reward. Plus, that's assuming, look, 5 cents again. That's assuming, though, that you actually get paid, and judging by the reviews of this app, you do not get paid. Like, I believe the reviews 100%, and this is the thing with my videos, everyone. I'm not going to show you evidence that they don't pay out. There's no way in hell I can show that other than reviews. Because the apps are scams, so how can I physically show you something when it doesn't ever happen? That's the whole point of my videos, do you know what I mean? So, it's just one of those situations, I guess. Maybe one day we'll see, like, an app that's legit. But until then, I feel like this is an app that's never going to pay, and I believe the reviews. Simple as that. I swear we've seen apps like this before many times as well. That's the thing. That's the biggest thing that gets me upset, is that I swear these apps are all the same concept, you know what I mean? Just to get you guys to believe you're winning real life money, when in reality, you're winning nothing. It's one of those situations that Google lets these apps get away with this. No regulation, no real care in the world. The problem is Google gets paid at the end of the day no matter what, through the ads that you watch on this app. So every time you watch an advertisement, if you did not know, Google gets a cut of that revenue. I think it's like 45% of what the developer makes. So keep that in mind, everyone, okay? Google also profits off scam apps. It's not just the scam apps themselves. It's just one of those situations, and now the ads are starting. Okay, interesting. Okay, Google's talking to me from my phone. Every time I say Google, my phone wakes up. Look at this girl's reaction, by the way. Does anyone actually think this is real? And I can't even skip this ad as well. They made it so I can't skip the ads. That's fantastic. It's another bad sign. So apparently, as I said earlier, the ads never stop on this app. That's what the reviews are saying. So it's a bit worrying, I'm not going to lie, but we'll find out together. Alright, I got 5 cents again. Nice. Let's see how many ads will pop up now. Surely there's no more ads. We'll see. We will see. I reckon after every single stage is an ad. That's what I'm thinking here, everyone. Ads are a part of apps. You have to remember that, everyone. But there's a problem when the app's a scam app. Because all that means is that it's tricking you into playing it. And that's why I say it's a scam. Some people have actually said to me, that's not what a scam is. It actually is. Some people didn't actually look up the definition of a scam. It's when you get tricked. That's the problem. You're getting tricked or misled into something. And no one will play these apps, really. There's another ad. Now I'm done. If an app doesn't even pay you $7, there's a problem, okay? Especially when it has over 1 million downloads. So, guys, I would avoid this. Honestly, I wouldn't play this app. Catch you all around, everyone. Stay safe out there. And, yeah, just try not to get tricked, okay? See you around.